If you are looking to get sister locks soon, this is all that you need to know, all that you need to take, so you are prepared for that day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today we are talking about the things that you are going to need for your sister lock appointment. If you are looking to get sister locks soon, this is all that you need to know, all that you need to take, so you are prepared for that day, because it is a long day. Number one, the number one thing that you're gonna need is food. So like I said, if you haven't already checked out my sister lock installation video, you will see some things that I took when I went to get my sister locks installed. That was like 19 hours that I was there, plus I had came back the next morning for some more hours, and I cannot recall the total, but it was long. I recommend you pack breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner, snack. Like, just prepare for a whole day. I'm not even exaggerating. My loctician, she was super sweet. She ended up ordering us some lunch from a restaurant nearby, but that was really nice of her. Most people not gonna do that. So make sure you have your food, and if not, have your debit card so you can go ahead and DoorDash it to you to the location, because you're gonna be hungry. And sitting in that chair, and I did it when I was pregnant, so the next thing you probably want to take is a pillow for your back, because obviously you're sitting all day, and if you've had any office job where you sit all day, you know your back can hurt after just 2-3 hours. So you definitely want to have that support for your like middle back. If you can, just take a comfortable pillow, so that because also everybody's chairs are different, so you just want to make sure that you're not uncomfortable, and you're gonna probably be able to take breaks to, you know, walk and shake and all that good stuff. Number 3, you're gonna need a comfortable outfit. Don't go in there trying to be cute. Don't do it. You just need just a regular shirt, some workout pants, and some comfortable shoes, and just a chill outfit, because it's not even deep to be cute. It's not. Number 4, you're going to need a water bottle. But we're not talking about your baby water bottle. Like I said, whole day. Just go ahead and bring you 2 gallons up there, because you finna be thirsty. No. But whatever drinks you like to drink, you know, but definitely bring you some water, some cold water. Go ahead and put it in the fridge before, so when you go the next day, you take it out and you ready, and it's ice cold, and it lasts you for the whole time that you're there. I know some people, depending on their length of hair, they will split up the days. People who have longer hair end up taking several days, and it depends on how many hours the loctician does. I know they usually like to just knock it out though. Another thing you could bring back to the pillows is a neck pillow. Some locticians do have this already, but just in case and you don't want to impose, just bring you like the little neck pillow that goes around, so you can, like, you might nod off, take you a little nappy nap, but no, for real, just because your neck gets tired from just literally just sitting up, or like if you have to lean it back, you need to have it comfortable. The next thing you will need is a charger, but you need the extendo charger, like from here to here type charger, because I realized when I was there, I was like, dang, now I gotta put my phone all the way to the side. Typically, they do have TVs though for you to watch Hulu, Netflix, Prime, whatever they have already as a subscription, and usually they'll let you watch it, but I know sometimes they just be like, I'm gonna pick what I want to watch. So just to be safe, that leads into my next one. You should have a computer or an iPad or whatever it is that you use, just because say you have a business, or you have homework to complete, even just work to do, then that comes in handy, because since you're there all day, you can use that time as your me time, to just be like, I'm gonna just relax, get my hair done, and chill and eat. Or you can like get business done and get those things that you said you've been trying to do for the year that you haven't done. you can go ahead and get that done too, because it's gonna be, plenty of time. Another thing you can bring if you get tired of the screen, or you're not big on screen time or your phone or computer, is a book. So, bring that book that you've been on the same chapter for the past 4 months for, and just go ahead and read a couple chapters. Another thing that you need is headphones, because sometimes you might chit chat on the phone. You might be calling people just cause you getting locked up, you trying to talk everybody head off. You never know. So bring your headphones to even watch stuff on whatever, YouTube, or your favorite show. If you watching it on your computer or your phone or whatever, maybe charge your headphones the night before. Outside of that, I think that sums up all that you need to take when you're getting your sister locks done, and just enjoy the ride. Make sure you take pictures, the before pictures. Make sure you get videos, because we are in such a rush that we just pay and we just get up and go and say thank you. But you definitely want to document this moment so you can see how far you come from when you first got it to like 3 months from now, 6 months, 9 months, a year. Definitely make sure you capture that footage. You already know I'm all about memories. But that sums up this video. If you found that it was helpful, make sure you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Look, if you've already been here a couple times and that subscribe button's still red, what you waiting on? What you really waiting on? So go ahead, make sure you subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.